Hey, so you're looking for network marketing and affiliate marketing tips on how to build your business online without the hassles, without having to find the wrong people, without having to search for people. This concept, it's actually called attraction marketing, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done within this video. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. And a couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of my situation. And a couple of my mentors that I found from going online showed me how to actually bring my business online to where people were looking for me online using the internet. And I no longer had to, go out and look for people who had an interest in what I had to offer because they were already, looking for me. And I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. It's done by a process called attraction marketing. Now you're going to need some tools and things like that to, build your business. And here's what I actually use as the tools to build and be able to have an audience, right? So the first thing is this is actually a funnel builder. So a funnel is, that was the pop-up that comes up when you first come on the page. First of all, this system, this whole website was built off of this funnel builder right here. So the first thing that you're going to need to know is how to build out a funnel. A funnel is how you retain emails, how you get your prospects to actually, put in their email and build an email list. Your email list becomes the asset, and you're able to actually, market to your email list and be able to actually build an audience to your email list, social media, and YouTube and things like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that, right? And you could also use paid advertising as well. So when you come in here, the first thing you need to be able to do is tap into any, any program that's a good program will have good, onboarding. And this process is really good. So they're going to take you through the getting started of how to get started and then how to build your business in 3 simple steps online. So you're going to learn that when you first come inside here. Then is what they do is they show you how to actually, build out your, so they're going to show you how to actually build out your, your autoresponder. Hold on one second. What the hell is this? Okay. So, alright, so they're going to show you how to build out your autoresponder. And, you're going to have your own domain, which is branded to you. And then they're going to actually have your autoresponder, built to where it goes out, so it sends out emails to anybody who puts their email into your page to find out more information. It will take them to a video just like the one you see in front of me, and they can watch the video and then they can click on the button right here to actually, buy or whatever. And that's exactly how a sales funnel works. So on the sales page, it has a video that they can watch, and it gives them more information. It does all the selling and telling for you, and you don't have to do it yourself. And then it's going to teach you how to actually use the builder, how to actually create your pages, how to optimize for mobile, how to create tracking pixels so you know your numbers, how to actually use redirects so you can redirect the traffic where you want it to go, how to do, exit pops. So if somebody tries to leave your page and they X out of the browser, they'll get a message saying, no, wait, stay, we have something else for you. So it keeps them within the funnel. And then also, you're going to actually learn how to do share funnels. You're going to learn how to do tracking with the builder, how to track all your leads. You're going to learn how to sell your own products. You're going to learn how to create a membership site. So whenever you start, online as a marketer, you need your own site and you need to be able to sell products. So this is very, very cool what this shows you. You're going to also learn how to do upsells and downsells, right? An upsell is when they buy something and you offer something else of more value for more money, right? And they could possibly buy the upsell. The downsell is if they don't buy that item, then you offer them something else of value, but at a lower cost. It's still a good amount of value. And then you're going to actually learn things like how to create graphics, how to create survey pages, how to split test your pages to see which ones are converting. So a split test is a split between 2 pages or 3 pages or whatever, to see which one is converting, which one is getting the most opt-ins, right, which are emails. You're going to also learn how to create your own site. And you're gonna want to know how to do that, how to build it out, and everything like that. And then they have additional coaching if you want to get additional coaching. Now, this funnel builder system, if you compare it to something like ClickFunnels is $100 a month just for the basic package. This does everything that ClickFunnels does. For the premium package in ClickFunnels, it's like $297 or something like that a month. This is only $25 a month, and you get a $20 commission. So, pretty much you're getting paid 80% commissions from this. So this offers you a $20 commission. But I wanted more. I wanted to learn about, traffic and how to actually use traffic. So I upgraded. This gives you a $100 commission per month on top of that. So you make $120 per month having both of these. Then is what you learn is actually how to create a lead magnet, which you give away in exchange for email. And you're also going to learn how to keep track of your passwords so you're not scatterbrained. And you're going to also learn who's your target market, who are you targeting, and how to build your business the right way. So that's what you'll learn from this, and that's before you get traffic. And then you're going to learn the traffic methods, the free strategies, which are how to launch your business, the 3 simple steps to invite. You're going to learn how to follow up with people when you start talking to them. You're going to learn how to get free leads through Facebook. You're going to learn how to blog. You're going to learn how to rank your videos in YouTube, which is why you see my videos in the top of the search engines. You're going to learn how to actually podcast, which is like a radio show. If you want to learn how to podcast, you could do that. You can learn how to actually, get leads through LinkedIn, which is a very powerful, platform like Facebook. You're going to learn how to get Facebook free ads and how to actually, advertise on Facebook. And then you're going to learn how to do lives the right way on Facebook, so that way you get, traction and start building an audience. And then you're going to learn how to launch your product once you have it. There's a launch formula, which you actually get people onto a presentation. You give them value on the front end, then you sell on the back end. So you're going to learn all that stuff. And then for the paid advertising, you're going to learn the 13-point conversion formula. You're going to learn how to close your leads. You're going to learn how to convert your leads into somebody who would want to buy from you. And then you're going to actually learn how to onboard them the right way, because they don't show that in a lot of stuff. Then if you need training, there's additional training. There's a morning mastermind call at 9 a.m. Eastern time. It's the Grow Rich call. It's for your mind every single day, Monday through Friday. Then they have a Monday night mastermind, which is, what's working now. It actually shows you, exactly what people are doing. We all get on a live Zoom call and actually share tips, tricks, and ideas, and answer any questions that people have by Zoom. When I was on there was over 70 people on that call. There's also a Take Action Mastermind, which is 11 a.m., every single day, which the owners of the company go over the shoulder and show you what they're doing in their business to get results, which is very, very cool, because you get to see hands-on stuff. Then there's other training that you could tap into if you want to. And then the cool thing about it is there's done-for-you funnels. So anybody that gets into an opportunity, you want them to be up and going immediately. So there's done-for-you funnels that you could actually put into your system and start getting results immediately. So that's a cool thing about this, is you could start getting results immediately. This gives you $100 a month, like I was saying. And then they have the Financial Literacy Academy, which is actually all about your financials when you start making money. So, let's say you have your pages set up, you're getting traffic, you're getting people to see the offer. Now you need to manage your business because you're starting to get sales. You need to know about finances. So this teaches you about finances and how to eliminate your debt, how to reduce your taxes so you could save more money instead of giving it away in taxes, how to bookkeep the right way, and plan to retire, which is, basically what a lot of people want to do. They want to retire, they want to travel, they want to spend more time with their family and friends and people that they love. So that's what this teaches you, right? And then when you start making money, you have to invest your money into assets so that way you're not getting it taken in taxes. So you invest it in assets and you start to grow your wealth, do different methods. So what this is going to teach you is actually how to avoid scams, and then it's gonna show you, they actually added some stuff. It's gonna show you how to invest. It's gonna show you how to flip cars. It's gonna show you persuasive profit methods for mobile homes. It's gonna show you how to manage property. It's going to show you how to flip houses, and also how to do asset protection, which is very, very cool. These are different things, and they just added these two strategies right here: how to spot scams and avoid loss, which is really, really important. So it's all about business. So if you want to learn all about business, this is definitely for you, and this gives you a $400 commission. It's a one-time buy, so you have the potential of earning over $500 per sign-up with this opportunity. So it's very, very powerful and very, very educational as a tool. If you go all in with me, is what I'm going to do is actually show you how to get 1,000 people per month to see your opportunity. And I'm actually going to help you to get traffic. So that's very, very cool because I can help you to actually get results. Right, so you're gonna want to subscribe to this video for more videos like this, and click on the link below to get started. Get in with me today, so that way I can help you to build your business and start getting leads, start getting results in your business, and actually be able to live the life that you really want to live. So yeah, click on the link below this video. Also, get into the Facebook group, which is free. A link's in the description for that as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you soon.